If your presentation looks like this or this, you are losing your audience. Let me show you how to fix it like this in less than 4 minutes and make it look 100 times better. But before we start, hit the subscribe button so you don't lose me later. First step, adding a picture. Go to the Insert, Picture, and add your image. Adjust it to fit your slide perfectly. Now to highlight important parts of your image, using Freeform Shape. Let's try it in this step. From Insert tab, Shapes, choose it and draw it around the area you want to focus on. Make sure it fully covers the part. No matter what's your image, it depends on your subject and project. Now that's finished. Next, duplicate the slide. Right-click your shape, choose Shape Format, and increase the transparency of your shape so you can see the image underneath. Now move it to the new area. Right-click again and select Edit Points to adjust the shape and cover the area perfectly. After that, return the transparency to 0. Again from Shape Format. Now, it's time to add a matching background. Copy your image, move it downward and right-click on Background, select Format Background, choose Picture and Texture field, then click Clipboard button. This sets your copy image as a background of the slide. Then put your main image back on top. In Effect tab, go to Artistic Effects and choose Blur. Set it around 20 to create a soft out-of-focus effect. Do this for both slides. But still you can't see anything. So it's time to change the shape filling. Select the shape, open Fill option, and choose Slide Background Fill. This makes your highlight area perfectly visible. Repeat this for other slide. As you can see, when I move the shape, its filling is changing because it shows the background to us. The next part is about adding text. To display extra information, insert a rectangle at the bottom of a slide. Right-click, Shape Format, and choose Gradient Fill. Remove any extra color spots and tweak the color and transparency so they match your background nicely. Make it a little bigger. Then add it to other slides. Then add your data to each slide. Finally, it's time to use Morph Transition. Select both slides and in Transition tab, choose Morph. Then click Slideshow button. Now that's it, you've got a presentation that looks 100 more professional than the one I showed you first. Thank you so much. If this helped you level up your PowerPoint skills, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd love to see in the next video. Next week, next trick. Bye!